In this guide, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can use to uninstall games or apps here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now there's two different methods for this. As I mentioned, the first method's in your settings, so go ahead and open up your settings up in the top right, scroll down to storage, just like so, and then open up your console storage. Once you're in here, look for games and apps and open it up, and this is where you're going to see all of your games and apps that you have installed on your PS5. Essentially select one, hit delete just like so, and then hit OK, and that'll confirm it. Of course, it'll delete, it'll tell you not to turn off your PS5, and when you do return to the screen, you'll be good to go. It's no longer going to be on here. That's just one method. The second method is actually from the home screen itself. So back out, go back to the home screen, find whatever game it is, for example, Crimson Desert, right? And then of course, hit the options button on your controller, scroll down a little bit and select delete. And then of course, hit confirm as well. If you want to free up space, but keep progress, make sure that you are in your settings and do that method. Of course, you could do this as well, though. I'm not going to delete Crimson Desert since I'm in the middle of playing it right now, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you guys do leave this video, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.